Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we are learning blockchain. Today's topic is an important topic and mostly this topic has been neglected by the people to understand what is mempool. But I thought of giving you an understanding what is mempool and from where the transactions are getting picked up by the miners to do the mining, right? So let's begin. This is a very familiar image you must have seen in my previous videos also. Let me just explain you quickly. So these are all the miners which I have taken, around 6 miners as of now connected into a distributed network, and they all have a chain of blockchain which is similar for everyone to visualize, right? This is a simple image we can understand, and we can understand this image easily, right? Now let's see, I'm talking about mempool. So what is mempool? Mempool is an area where all the transactions are getting parked, right? They are parked so that the miners can pick up and do the mining. Simple. And that mempool is available for everyone. Like how? So like this is the mempool area which will be available and accessible by each and every miner or node connected in the network. And these are kind of a transaction. Some are little heavy in terms of value, some are low. So these are the kind of transactions which is there. Let me explain you with a visualization in terms of the real examples how it will look like, right? I'm into btc.com and I can see the latest block of Bitcoin is 826,558, right? We know that the block number till 58 is already been mined and the next one will come as 59. Now let me get into the Bitcoin transaction visualization. Now you just try to understand the one we already see 58 is already there. Now 826,559 block is getting ready. So this is the kind of block which will have the number of transactions in it. Now the area in gray color which you are seeing, this is called a mempool area, right? When the transactions are coming, they will be validated by this particular things and they will cross the mempool area and stay in mempool. So these are all the transactions, the balls which you are seeing here, and they are getting picked by the miners to find the particular block. See how it is getting picked up. Correct? Suppose I'll click on the transaction, you can understand this is pending, waiting in the line. What is the total sent? What is the size, fees, and other things, right? Now, if I'll click on something else, you can check. So this is how we can understand these are all the transactions which have been waiting into a mempool to be picked by the miner. Now, if I'll just click on this block, you can understand this block is an 826,559 block. What is this block? This is just a next block which has already been mined. And we are expecting this confirmation will be done in the 9 minutes. You can see this block has already, the miner has already picked 3,874 transactions to mine this particular block and still it is in continuation. So there must be miners who are trying to solve this cryptographic hash by the time, right? We can see the list of transactions, which transactions has been mined. If you click on something, you can understand that which transaction has been picked by the miner. So this is what I wanted to show you, how the real-time blocks will be picked up and how transactions are getting filled within the blocks. So you can see there is another block which is also getting ready. So this is how things are working. So these are the mempool. Everybody is doing the transactions coming into a mempool area and which will be picked by the miners to mine this. Okay. Now I'll come back to the particular image where we left and went to the visualization. You can see this. These are the mempool areas, the one which is waiting for the transactions to be picked by the miners. And this is called the this is called the mempool area. This is very important to understand. Mempool is a staging area where all the transactions are coming and holding themselves until it will be picked by the miners. I hope you understood this concept. If there is any issue, please write back to me. I will help you to solve your queries. We'll meet again for the next video. Thank you so much.